Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with the Crafty Advent Calendar, day 20. This is bittersweet now because there's only 4 days now. It's like laughing and crying at the same time. It's coming to an end. I know, I'm just having a moment. On the 20th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let's see. Oh, it looks like it's going to be a layering stencil. I love that they give you this example right here. But it also comes with registration marks. Let's take a closer look. Okay, crafters, I can't see a thing, but I'm looking for the numbers. The first set had numbers, but oh my goodness, I need my readers. Let's take a look at my example and I'll go further into this set of layering stencils. Here is my December 20th example. I made one card and I made a previous note card, which I didn't like, so I made this one instead. Here are the stencils, which is just so cute. So the stencils down here in the bottom middle, this is number 1, 2, and 3. Very easy layering, has those registration marks. This card is a little under an A2, so it's a smaller card, but it's a very cute note card. So the first time I had done some ink blending, and yes, I was using my Waffle Flower Shader +1 brushes. Love it here. This is a combination of Gina K ink and some new Pink Fresh Studio ink. They have this really pretty green color. I think it's like a spruce color. So I will be linking everything I'm talking about below. This is 1/2. Then I took a word die. I had finished this one, but then I thought I just wasn't feeling this one. It's a cute note card. I could put more flowers and stuff. After filming and editing Spellbinders Holiday Sale, I will link the video here. I decided to make another card. I'm exhausted now, but I'm gonna get this card done tonight and load it up. So it'll really be the 21st, but it's the 20th to me. So I did those same 3 layers again, same colors. This is just a darker pink. I believe this is dark carnation at Gina K. This is medium carnation at Gina K. So this is 1 shade lighter. The cardstock I'm using here in the background, that is Spellbinders Wild Berry. For the florals, I'm using Pink Sand. Now let's talk about those die sets I brought in. For the sentiments, I'm using Serenade Sentiments dies. I liked that this was both big and small at the same time. It fit in this little valley. At first, I was going to have the card like this. See how it almost looks like a wreath? I like that too. But then when I turned it sideways with the sentiment, happy birthday, it fit better. This one is a smaller sizing for the words. You get happy birthday, best wishes, thank you. You get 4, grateful and thankful. Then now my flowers. That's from my garden wreath add-on die set. The entire Beautiful Wreaths collection is on sale at 50% off in Spellbinders Holiday Sale. I used these 2 flowers right here, this, and just layered them up. And then I put the little center. There's a little center in here. The only thing that sold out in the Beautiful Wreaths collection last time I checked was the bundle and the Build-A-Wreath die set. I know. I think some people bought like maybe doubles or something because that's the base die set that you build up with. But this set should be there, and this set can take you into 2024 crafting. Yay! Lots of florals. And you can still build a wreath with this. That's the die that you would use for a garden wreath. In this case, I'm just doing the florals alone. To finish off my card, I'm also using Gold Mix Gems, the solid part. Just put a little bit of the smaller gems there. So that is it for my December 20th example. I am going to now finish this video, and then I will post December 21st sometime tomorrow. But in the meantime, crafters, please check out my holiday sale video. It was a labor of love, let me tell you. It took me so long to finish that video. I think I pulled out 9 million cards. Oh, goodness, I need a card catalog now. Until December 21st, stay crafty, my friends. Hope you are enjoying the holiday season. It's getting hectic, isn't it? Stay crafty. Bye.